जर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर समोर दिलेल्या व्हिडिओमध्ये दाखवल्याप्रमाणे सबस्क्राईब करा. बाजूला असलेल्या बेल बटनवरही क्लिक करा, म्हणजे जेणेकरून आमच्या चॅनलवरील लेटेस्ट अपडेट तुम्हाला सर्वात आधी कळेल.
Hello everyone, I am Harshita. Today I am going to show you how to make easy and tasty fruit salad. So let's begin. First we need to take 2 glasses of milk. Heat this milk for boiling. After taking different types of fruits, one in bowl: pomegranate, orange, apple, custard apple, banana. This is most important part, custard powder. We need 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now see, our milk started boiling. Now we will add 2 to 3 tablespoons sugar in the boiling milk. Add 1 cup of water in custard powder and mix it well. Now we will add custard powder in the milk. Keep it stirring, otherwise it will burn. Now off the gas. Now let it cool. Now our custard milk is cooled, so we will add one by one all fruits. Now apple, banana. Mix it well. Now our fruit salad is ready, but we have to keep it 2 to 3 hours in refrigerator. Now our fruit salad is ready to eat. I will taste it and tell you. Delicious! I hope you will try it definitely. Bye. Have a good day.